Question number 6. The question is predict and explain whether the following are acidic, basic, or neutral. So we need to predict whether the solution, the salt solution. Okay, for A, cesium iodide. For A, cesium iodide. Okay, so this is the salts. We know cesium is come from the strong base, right? Cesium hydroxide. While iodide come from, this is strong base, right? And this is iodide come from hydroiodic acid. So this is strong acid, strong. This is strong acid. So this is the cesium ion is a anion, cation of strong base. Iodide is the anion of strong acid. Therefore, it is neutral salt solution. Both ion do not react with water. Okay, that is A. And B, ammonium NH4 iodide. So you know NH4 iodide. So that means this is ammonium ion and iodide ion. Okay, ammonium ion, it is ammonium ion is conjugate. Sorry, ammonium ion is a cation of ammonia, which is weak base. So whereas iodide is similar from the Hi, strong acid. Therefore, ammonium ion react with, because ammonium ion is a conjugate base, conjugate acid. Now it's conjugate acid. It react with water, hydrolyze with water, right? To form ammonia and H3O plus. So now the solution is, because it produces hydronium ion, therefore this is acidic salt solution. Okay, acidic salt solution. Okay, what about C? C is NaOCl. Okay, so you have Na plus and OCl minus. So sodium is the cation of strong base, strong base. So it not undergo hydrolysis with water, whereas OCl minus is anion of HOCl. This is a weak acid. Alright, so this is OCl minus. Of course, is a conjugate. OCl minus now is a conjugate base. Therefore, it reacts with water. Producing HOCl plus OH minus. Hydroxide ion. So the presence of hydroxide ion make the solution become basic. So it's a basic salt solution.